We are doing it. We're going on a hike to the waterfall. You ready? Let's go. Morning hike time.
Whatever you need, I can be. Boy, just call me, hear me out in a rush. Hope you know I'll
Be careful. See, I didn't say we were running. I said we were walking. What is this one say? It's okay. We're going forward on the right way.
get a taste of sweet like honey. Need loyalty, I don't play about mine. I'm what you need, put no one above me. I promise I'll get you right. Down bad, then it's on me. If I give it to you, better give it right back. I'll get you right. By the end, you gon' need me. Going crazy, cause my love will have you like that.
See how they running like it ain't nothing. I'm tired and I'm just walking. Whew. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. He's still going strong, but I was tired. I was tired.
Going up and they can't take it. Feel a type of way and I can't fake this. Get a taste of sweet like honey. Need loyalty, I don't play about mine. I'm what you need, put no one above me. I promise I.
What's avalanche? Avalon. I don't know either. Look it up. But I want to go see the waterfall. And yes, in all my defiance, I'm on the wrong side. So, of course, we had to figure out how to get me over to the right side later on down the trail. Okay. Made it to the waterfall. Now just gotta get down there to it. I made it down to the waterfall. Oh, you see the waterfall? Made it. Sit down on the rock, honey. Uh-oh. Sit down on the rock, Mateo. And then he might sit down and relax over this. Oh, that's so much fun. Look at that. You want to do that? Look at there. Look at there. A Shih Tzu. Oh.
He's an Aussie Shepherd mix. I see. Don't steak in front of
My vision straight. Money on me, I got problems, but they can wait. Don't let the day get away. It's so beautiful, soaking it up. Feel the breeze, yeah. I let the sun just shine on me. I let the sun just shine on me. I let the sun just shine on me, yeah, yeah. Feel it. I let the sun just shine on me. I let the sun just shine on me. I let the sun just shine on me. On me. Feel like the sun is just shining for me. Seem like the stars keep aligning for me. Working it out, perfect timing for me. I keep on drinking my head. Those sips, I get true love. We pop out, they get cooler. Just let the wind graze my face and let it go. Every day. I let the sun just shine on me. I let the sun just shine on me. I let the sun just shine on me, yeah, yeah. Feel it. I let the sun just shine on me. I let the sun just shine on me. I let the sun just shine on me. The sun still shine on me. We want good vibes only. We want good vibes only.
Thank you so much for coming along with me on my hike. You could be anywhere in the world, but you right here with me. I appreciate that. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to I Love Lisi. And I'm going to see you next time around, okay?